Why is getting a job so hard right now? 5 brutal truths job seekers face today. Welcome back to the channel. Let's be honest, if you're actively looking for a job right now, you're probably incredibly frustrated. You apply 2 dozens of jobs, maybe you get 1 or 2 interviews, and then silence. You see headlines about low unemployment, but your personal reality is a grueling, long, and difficult job search. Feeling frustrated by the job market? You're not alone. This video breaks down the 5 core reasons why the job search process is tougher than ever, even when unemployment numbers look good. We cover everything from the economic shift, the R word, and hyperautomation to the overwhelming volume of applicants and the dreaded experience paradox. You are not doing anything wrong. The market itself has changed. Today, we are dissecting the 5 brutal truths that explain exactly why it is so difficult to get a job right now. Truth 1. Economic uncertainty and the R word effect. The number one reason is economic uncertainty. Let's call it the R word effect, even if we aren't officially in a recession everywhere. A. Hiring freeze and caution. When companies feel uncertain about the next quarter, they slam the brakes on hiring. They implement stealth hiring freezes, not officially announced, but vacancies stay open indefinitely, or roles that open up are only for the most critical positions. B. Increased bar for entry. They aren't hiring for potential, they are hiring for immediate impact. This means the minimum required experience for every single job role creeps up, putting immense pressure on applicants. C. Goal. Companies are prioritizing cost control and maximizing existing resources over expansion, leading to fewer jobs available per talented candidate. Truth 2. The applicant volume overload. Technology made applying easy, and that's a problem. The easy apply trap. With platforms like LinkedIn or Indeed, applying takes literally 30 seconds. This ease of access has led to applicant volume overload. A single open role can easily receive 300 to 500 applications, even for non-entry level positions. B. The recruiter funnel breakdown. Think about a recruiter. They simply cannot give 500 applications individual attention. This leads to the phenomenon of mass rejections, often automated, and low response rates. If you don't tailor your resume perfectly to the applicant tracking system, ATS, you'll be filtered out before a human ever sees it. Goal: understand that you are competing against the entire internet, not just local candidates. Truth 3. Hyperautomation and the AI effect. Automation isn't just affecting factory floors, it's affecting white-collar jobs too, creating the experience paradox. The experience paradox. Companies want someone with experience in modern tools like generative AI, advanced data analytics, or specific automation software. If you don't have experience in the latest tech, the job market treats your previous general experience as less valuable. B. Disappearing roles. Roles focused primarily on routine data entry, basic content creation, or simple customer service are being rapidly automated or augmented by AI tools, shrinking the pool of available jobs in those specific areas. Goal: your skills must be future-proof and AI-resistant, or AI-integrated. Truth 4. Longer, more intense interview processes. If you are lucky enough to get past the initial screen, the interview process itself is much harder than it used to be. 8. More rounds. Where you might have had 2 interviews, now you face 4 or 5 rounds: the recruiter screen, the technical assessment, the hiring manager, the peer interview, and the executive final. Each round is a chance to be eliminated. B. Proof of impact. Companies aren't just looking for knowledge, they're demanding proof of impact. They want case studies, presentations, and take-home projects that demonstrate you can deliver results before they hire you. This extends the timeline and increases stress. C. Goal. Companies are making fewer hiring bets, so they invest more time in vetting each final candidate, creating significant delays and increased scrutiny. Truth 5. The lack of candidate feedback. Finally, the silent killer of the modern job search, the near total lack of feedback. The ghosting culture. Because recruiters are overwhelmed, truth 2, they simply can't provide personalized feedback to the hundreds of rejected candidates. This leaves you guessing what went wrong. Was it the resume, the interview, or just the applicant volume? B. Stagnation. Without constructive criticism, it's incredibly difficult to adapt your resume or improve your interview technique, leaving job seekers stuck in a frustrating loop. Goal. You need proactive strategies like networking or informational interviews to generate the feedback the system won't give you. Conclusion, action plan, and call to action. The job market is hard, but understanding why empowers you to fight back. Focus on tailoring your resume aggressively to beat the ATS, networking for internal referrals, which bypasses the volume overload, and integrating future-proof skills like AI into your toolkit. Which of these 5 truths are you struggling with most right now? Let us know in the comments and share your best advice for other job seekers. If this video validated your feelings and gave you clarity, please hit the like button, subscribe for more job market survival guides, and ring that notification bell.